What's up, Fashion Fam? Welcome to episode 2 of Liva Miss Diva 2024. I understand. I see it. You all still haven't recovered from the sass and charisma in episode 1. Jahan pe we got our top 7 beauty queens. But that's okay. We have time, but we already have reached episode 2. Okay? Now, probably you still haven't gotten the memo. That's okay. I will remind you. Because the sass and charisma here only keeps increasing. Because it's just getting hotter and hotter in here. I'm very serious. It is very hot. They have shut the AC. I am sweating. So clearly, it is getting hotter. Now, before I tell you the rest of the story, I feel like thoda sa a quick recap. To ho jaye, right? I don't know if you all remember everything or no. I told you in the last episode. Liva Miss Diva 2024, apart from the beauty queen category, has added 2 brand new categories. Which are they? You tell me. In 1, 2, no? Okay, I'll tell you. Content creator and fashion designer. These are new. These are very fun, very fresh. Let's go crazy this year. Come with me. What makes this episode देखने लायक? Answer काफी simple है. Today we're getting into one of the 2 brand new categories, Liva Miss Diva Content Creator 2024. एक ऐसी फैशनिस्टा जिसका इंस्टा गेम सिर्फ इंस्पो नहीं, एनवी भी दे. हजारों एंट्रीज में से we've selected the absolute best 20 who will battle it out to be in the top 8. मुझे इतनी एंजाइटी क्यों हो रही है? I don't understand. Calm down, Renal. Calm down. Before I get too much FOMO, let's go to Bhavna Singh, our mentor, and see what she's got in store for the contestants.
All right, ladies, congratulations for making it to top 20. The task is you have to head to the lockers, grab your mystery bags. पहले आप जाओ, लेकर आओ, फिर बताती हूँ क्या करना है. All right, ladies. So अब mystery नहीं रही. Inside the bag, you have 3 items. So one is a fab outfit made with natural origin Liva fabrics. Second is Miss India Artsy eyewear. And साथ में है Blossom Couture Aroma Magic Skincare Essentials. आपको करना क्या है? एक killer fashion reel, but under 90 seconds. You have to use everything that is in the bag. You guys have the whole day. Go put your heart and soul into the reel that you're gonna create. फिर कल मिलते हैं. Let's see who nails their reel with fashion.
What do you mean by 24 hours only? I'm very glad I'm not on the receiving end of this intense pressure by the mentors. I wouldn't have done very well. These poor participants are dying a little bit, but I'm very happy about it. Nothing. I have nothing to say here. मुझे सिर्फ footage खाने की पैसे मिले हैं. Before we see what these contestants are bringing onto the table, they're going to bear it all. उनके secrets, उनके जीत के पहले डर moments, all of that is going to go down. The chatter and dil ka matter is going to come down in the Liva Candid Confession booth. Booth में Candid Confession सिर्फ branding के लिए हो रही है, but the whole world will be watching. Bye.
Hi, I'm Jelina Darapi from the Phu Karbi Anglong, Assam, and I don't know why I'm getting nervous. Just give me just 2 seconds, okay?
So when I entered, I was actually checking out everybody's clothes because that is the first thing every girl does. I was actually even comparing कि यार अच्छा लग रहा है क्या? But I was like no, अच्छा तो लग रहा है, but थोड़ा तो होता ही है यार. ये कितना भी ना बोलो, but ये genuinely होता है.
Candidness and organic content is something that can't really beat anything because जितना आप relatable होगे लोगों के साथ, उतना वो resonate करेंगे आपके content से. So I think that's my strategy kind of going into this.
But I think there's the one girl which I feel like she's not I mean, nothing against her. She's wearing that skin-colored dress. So I don't think that her fashion game is up. She's just wearing a normal dress. You know, for me, somebody needs to be really confident. When she walks, she needs to have that oomph about her personality, that aura, you know.
I think, to be honest, मुझे महीशा काफ़ी अच्छी लगी. Her content was really good. I really liked it. The way she shot the reel, it was really nice.
I think the people originally from Mumbai do have perks while shooting this because they have a lot of things to style with. They have their whole wardrobe and we are just having few things with us. दिल्ली वाले किसी से पीछे तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. तो yeah, we are going to get this.
To be honest, पेरेंट्स शुरू में थोड़े सपोर्टिव नहीं थे, बट जैसे जैसे मैं करती गई एंड रिवार्ड मिलने लगा मुझे, ऑडियंस से जो प्यार है वो मिलने लगा, देन दे स्टार्टेड एक्सेप्टिंग इट.
अब बोलोगे कि सबको देख के एम्बैरेस हो गई कि इतनी यंग गर्ल्स में मैं क्यों फिट हूँ, पर मैं तो अपने आप को समझती नहीं हूँ ना. मैं तो समझती हूँ मैं भी व्हाई नॉट, ये कर सकती हूँ तो मैं भी करूँगी कोशिश.
If bearing it all had a face, it would be our contestants का चेहरा. अब bearing सब कुछ हो गया. Let's see how they're faring in their final round of audition. Oh my, these contestants are actually chota packet bada dhamaka. They're effortlessly stylish and natural. And let me tell you from personal experience, the jury had a very difficult time selecting their finalists. Well, now moving on to something even more dhamakedar. इस episode में, you all thought कि हम सिर्फ content creators की तलाश में हैं. Wrong. Liva, please take note. ये लोग मुझसे बहुत काम करवा रहे हैं. I'm okay with it because I'm being a little fluid with my timelines, just like you. We promised you a stacked episode and stacked it will be क्योंकि अब होने वाला है Liva Miss Diva Fashion Designer 2024 के final round of auditions. Yes, you heard me right. Bollywood writers, you also take note क्योंकि ऐसे लाते हैं story में plot twist. In fashion designers के designs are absolutely versatile and beautiful. So now participants का sass check, उनका charisma check, कहानी में plot twist वो भी check. अब अगर इतना सब कुछ check हो गया है, I feel like now it's time for checkmate. क्योंकि अब time है for the jury to play their part. And let's see if they rip them apart. Wow, ये तो rhyme हो गया. Now writers, please take notes. क्योंकि आपका काम I'm only doing now. Now, without further ado, let's go straight into the jury camp.
It's beyond my expectations. The applications are great. I already have some of my favorites and we have not yet completed the selection. Shreya Raj, maybe she has a good future just on the basis of a surname. Well, I'm joking. Sudhriti was very good in terms of sustainability. She was very deep rooted into her culture. So, you know, using a lot of those Indian textiles was her forte.
So Sudhriti और तनिषा क्या solid निकले हैं. मुझे तो बोलना पड़ेगा कि अभिषेक और साहिल शायद उन्हें खो बैठे. कभी कभी मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि ये डिजाइनर्स जो आ रहे हैं बहुत अनप्रिपेयर्ड होके आ रहे हैं, जैसे कि swatches नहीं ला रहे हैं. They are not showing what they are really capable of.
I was very surprised how students had used embellishments in their designs. Basically, it was only embellishment that we could see, and the design or the silhouette inspiration did not come through. I think there is so much available nowadays, you know, inspiration या influence बोलो कि इतना easily हो जाता है. That sometimes it's difficult to find what is that designer's signature style. I think the contestants all have a lot of potential, but yeah, if you ask me who surprised me, I think it was Rutuja. We had seen her work earlier, but she came as a surprise package to me.
It doesn't matter आप कौन से background से हैं. What matters is कि आपका output क्या होगा उस finale stage पे. So I'm looking forward to seeing what they have to offer on the day of the finale of Liva Miss Diva 2024.
Bro, these jury members are low-key too hectic. Full mummy papa vibes are happening, I have to tell you. His Maharaja Thali size episode is coming to an end with our top 21 in place. And I hope you all remember, the rest of the 3 are Liva wildcard entries. अगर आपको लगा ये एपिसोड स्टैक्ड है, then the next episode will blow your screens off, क्योंकि मैं रिवील करने वाला हूँ लीवा मिस टीवा 2024 के टॉप 24 contestants. So set your timer, book your schedule, send yourself a calendar invite और हम मिलेंगे अगले एपिसोड में.